We have a 5000 Kelvin 5 watt Candelabra LED bulb, a 5-pack. And we have here is a mushroom lamp with one of the bulbs in that is blue that's showing in a white color. Now I can take this and I can dim it down. And that is about the lowest we can go. It'll tell me I'm the lowest. Now we can put this on a timer and do all different things with it. We could increase it up. We can increase it to 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. What we're going to do is take out the LED bulb and put all 5 in above foyer to show you what the lights look like. When I turn my lights on above, I got a burnt out bulb, I got old bulbs, and I want to replace them with a Candelabra bulb that you see right there. We mixed and matched bulbs like a tic-tac board. And man, that makes this area very bright. A 7-watt bulb is like, what, 60-watt equivalents to these? That's a great job. You're really brightening up this area. The nice things about these bulbs are they don't get hot like these bulbs do. So if you ever need to change one of these bulbs out or tighten it, you're not going to burn your hands. They do a nice job lighting this area up. This is the 5-watt dimmable E12 Candelabra LED bulb, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 5 watts, and a 90% power efficiency. The power factor is 0.8 with a CRI rating of 85 plus. The luminance flux is 600 LM with the efficiency of 100 L. 360 degree lighting. Lifespan is 25,000 plus hours, and it is a dimmable bulb. The length and width of the bulb is 7.4 inches in height by 1.3 inches in width. Cautions are basically don't get the bulb wet, don't drop him, keep him out of the reach of the children, and keep the surfaces clean. If for any reason your bulb doesn't work, please take him out, check the bulb carefully to see if any of the elements are broken, and replace it with a new bulb that you have 5 of. If you need more bulbs, always check online for further detail about this company. I hope these bulbs are something that you're looking for that will be good for your Candelabra lighting. Now, if you're afraid of these bulbs, they won't break. They're pretty strong and they're made of very durable plastic. And there they are. It's an excellent bulb indeed, and I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.